A serpent model can find the text file still containing a missing reference, overlap, or gap. SerpentGuard is a local preflight async for deliberately limited subset of Serpent syntax. It does not replace Serpent or qualify safety review. Here, a syntax input reference is a suffix that does not exist. I press run check and Serpent reports rule SG004 with the missing name, source file, line number, and supporting evidence. This analysis is deterministic, runs locally, and does not use AI. For supported cylinder and square cylinder surfaces, I can sample one universe in local XY coordinates. This deliberately forgery fixture contains overlapping states and uncovered regions. The metrics count both candidate types, rather the diagnostic view separates normal, overlap, undefined, and boundary points. Because this is sampling-based, narrowed fix may still be missed. A valid synthetic pincel can instead be viewed by material, clearly separating fuel, coolant, and the outside region. This is the focus preflight visualization, not an exit replacement for the Serpent plotter. AI review is optional. SerpentGuard creates a visible allowlisted JSON payloads that excludes raw input, comments, material compositions, and absolute paths and secrets. The generate button remains disabled until the user reviews the payload and gives explicit consent. If requested, AI explains the structured findings, but the deterministic report remains authoritative. AI builds SerpentGuard in Codex using GPT 5.6. I worked milestone by milestone. First, the path and deterministic rule IDs, then geometry sampling and edge case states, and finally the bilingual interface, privacy boundary, and release audit. Codex accelerated implementation, refactoring, and test creation across the project. I made the central product decision to keep analysis focus, support only a defensive syntax subset, and require preview and consent before any AI request. SerpentGuard and difficult to inspect input text into source-located findings and understandable diagnostics while keeping the model author in control. It is experimental, very limited, and designed to complement, not replace, the existing Serpent work.